name is Aquinas Mungatia. I work with Aga Khan Hospital, Mombasa, which is the hospital that manages the medical center here, Aga Khan Medical Center, Hola. We are here today to support the county government of Tana River, specifically the Department of Health, to bring healing to the people of Tana River, Tana River, through this medical camp that we are hosting today and tomorrow.
Okay. You accidentally mentioned somewhere about Taita Taveta. Does it mean that this is not the first place, this is not the first activity that you are engaging in? Have you previously engaged in such kind of an event?
Actually, we have been doing for the last 2 months, we have been doing intensive medical camps. We started with Mombasa County, where we did quite a number of activities. Then we went to Kirifi and Taita Taveta. Taita Taveta, we did major activities in Voi town, Undanyi town. Then we went to Mwatate town. We came to Malindi last week, to Minda, and we concluded the week with Saturday, where we saw almost 1,000 patients in Mtwapa Sub-County Hospital. Then we are here today, and already we can see the numbers are big. We have already registered over 200 people, which is impressive.
Wonderful. And just but to mention a few of the activities that we'll be doing, we see that there's a number of patients here who want different kind of treatment, different kind of services. Can you just but mention a few services that you'll be offering on this day of today?
So today specifically we are here for general mwananchi. We are doing general consultations. We have medical officers, clinical officers here. We have nutritionists. We are doing cervical cancer and breast cancer screening. We are doing lab tests, quite a number range of laboratory tests. We are also doing HIV testing and also family planning services.
Do you intend to have more patients, or these are the limited patients that you have?
Come here to support the county government of Tana River. The Department of Health specifically, we have not come with a limit. Okay. We want to see any person who comes here. Whatever the numbers, will be able to be here tomorrow. If the numbers exceed, we'll be here on Saturday also. Right. So depending with the numbers that will come in, we are here for 2 days confirmed, but that day will depend with the numbers that we have here. Or if there are no numbers here, then we can go to Mijira.
Thank you. Briefly give us your name and your main role in this event of today.
My name is Helen Adida. I'm the marketing officer at Aga Khan Hospital, Mombasa. In our clinics, first and foremost, we do discounted rates. The rates in Hola are different from the rates from main hospital, meaning you can either be billed at Hola, then be seen at main hospital. At the same time, we have specialized clinic at our outreaches. But in Hola, we do a teleconsultation, meaning we book you through teleconsultation, then you see a specialist in Aga Khan Mombasa. The teleconsultation is just an online. You come, we book you with the doctor. Is online, on call. It's just something looks like a Zoom meeting between you and the doctor.
General advice that you can give?
First and foremost, we have that perception that Aga Khan is expensive. In our outreaches, we are discounted, meaning we are almost 50% discounted compared to our main hospital. So we encourage everyone, kindly come and get the good care that you require from us, Aga Khan. We have come to the doorsteps of each and every one of you, affordable. So everyone, you are welcome. Karibuni, nakamkaribie sana.
Thank you so much. That's Helen.
My name is Saitoti George. I'm the clinic lead at Aga Khan Hola. So we are doing a CSR event today for the next 3 days in Tana River. We are doing this is the best medical camp we ever hosted here as Aga Khan, to get free services for the people living around here. Is
this the first time we are experiencing such kind of a service, or it has been previously done before?
For Aga Khan Health Services, we've been running so many CSR projects. This is just one of the special projects we have at Aga Khan Health Services department. We normally have at least one per outreach center. But this year, we have privilege to have for this facility at least 3, plus any other facilities within the Mombasa cluster.
Thank you.
It's not the first time.
Thank you so much. For those who have the notion that Aga Khan services are expensive, what can you tell them on this kind of event whereby they're receiving free medical services? And the notion that they have is that Aga Khan services are always expensive. What can you change in their mentality and notion?
I think that's a very bad myth, if you ask me. Aga Khan services are affordable, because it's only at Aga Khan where you'll see a doctor at 600 Kenya shilling. Whether you are a corporate member or you are paying cash, I think it's affordable. Yeah, so it's just a myth that we need to debunk in our minds, that Aga Khan is very expensive. Ideally, Aga Khan is not expensive.
Thank you so much. Investing so much on your time, so much on your resources, and so much on this activity. What is your expectation at the end of the day, doctor?
We expect to cover many key population around this place. The less fortunate in the community will be served today because it's a free, everything here is done free. We are giving medication free. These are branded medication. We are doing laboratory testing. We are referring patients to specialty, subspecialties, so they'll get to be evaluated further. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and we expect much from the doctor and the organizers at the end of the day. This is Ambassador Mohamed Mudalib, Samir Media Production.